Rise and shine. Where are the other puppies? Oh, they decided that they should go and make themselves some free time. So we're the ones following your schedule today. Alright, now you guys' schedule today for Favour in LA is to be other humans. And how are we supposed to do that, Vivian? Well, because you guys are puppies and you can't really roam around on your own and people just question everything, I am gonna be taking you guys. Are you gonna put us in leads? I hate leads. Candy, you hate leads? I hate leads all my life. I'm not gonna put you guys on leads. I'm just gonna walk you guys around. Oh, great! That's really nice. So, should we get dressed? No, let's act normal. People will be suspicious. Gotta give you some time to think. Thanks, Vivian. Alright, so guys, we're gonna socialize with other humans. Best thing ever, isn't it? I guess so. Watching Puppy Park, LA edition. LA streets. Pups, just shush. Oh my god, babe, look at puppies. I don't want. Oh my god, they're so cute though. Like, selling them? No, they're mine. Oh my god, that's so cute. Like, wow. Babe, come on, she's selling puppies. No, so, excuse me? Like, no. Babe, come see this woman and her puppies. You're selling them, aren't you? I'm not. I'm walking them. That's the only reason people in LA walk their puppies. I'm out of here. Oh my god, like, babe, can you not? Oh my god. Sorry, I've been so rude to him. No, he's just so sassy and sensitive about everything. Like, thanks, though. Okay, bye. Bye. Oh, hi, can you, like, move the other way? Oh my god. You have puppies. This is an experience. Like, thank you. My name is Ezzy. Excuse me, madam. Like, can you just move the other way? I need to walk my puppies. Like, I've never seen puppies have had this action. Like, it's just. You just always the cats and the frogs and the turtles and stuff. This is an experience. This is an experience. Don't mess this up. Just don't. Excuse me, madam. Can you move the other way? And you move your inhaler from the road. That is very unsanitary. I know. Nice to meet you. Oh my god. Now that, like, all the people we saw from that woman that was like, oh my god, bye. And from the asthma human being that didn't. Yeah, this kind of stupid. I didn't want to be pet by somebody who has asthma. Can it transfer? I hope it does it. But we should wait for the others to clear up that schedule and maybe you can continue on Vivian's track. Yeah, today we only did what Vivian wants us to do. Maybe like tomorrow we can change up our schedule a little bit better. It'll be nice to change up our schedule. Yeah, but still though, I'm gonna bang. Don't even like that. Can you not? Can you stop, Chloe? You're making me laugh. Sorry, that's my job. Like, can I touch your puppies? Can I touch your puppies? Oh my god, I've never seen puppies. Like, can you just not? Okay.